I want to share 5 very powerful estate planning lessons from the legendary investor Warren Buffett, and I'm actually going to show why I disagree with one of his lessons. His first lesson: have an estate plan. Mr. Buffett is one of the most successful investors in the history of the world, and he has always talked about the fact that his estate plan has been important to him, having a trust and having charitable structures. Have an estate plan. 2, Buffett advised don't sign any estate planning documents without going over them with your children first. Now, generally, I agree with this. Going over your estate plan with your kids can avoid future conflict, but it isn't a fit for all families. This assumes everybody has a good relationship, your kids are mature, and everybody's on the same page. But generally speaking, I do recommend sharing your documents with your kids ahead of time. 3, update your estate plan regularly. Laws change, your situation changes. I 100% agree with this. 4, if you have substantial assets, give your children enough so that they can do anything, but not enough so they can do nothing, and instill philanthropic values. I totally agree here. It's a very subjective decision though. How much is too much is a very personal decision based on your situation, your kids, but I agree with that. Philanthropic values are so powerful. And 5, Mr. Buffett has set up all 3 of his kids apparently as co-trustees for his estate, and all 3 have to agree unanimously for any future charitable bequests. Now, I generally wouldn't recommend having 3 co-trustees together. When you set up an estate plan, I recommend naming one backup at a time. So I don't agree with him there, although in some situations it can make sense. So the bottom line is Mr. Buffett has offered us some amazing estate planning lessons. Not all are right for every family, but I think we can take valuable lessons from each of them.